Well, call myself done cleaned up. Can't tell. I can't tell. That's where we are. I done cleaned up. I done cleaned my shop. I can't tell. Ain't throwed away nothing but some paper. Look at that. I said, we guys are terrible, boy. We guys are terrible when it comes down to this. I said that I was cleaning up and straightening out my band. I can't tell. Yeah. And then I said, I done straightened my band out. I done moved some stuff. Can you tell? Can you tell? I can't. I can't tell if I done moved nothing. Well, that's the way it is. I ain't throwing away nothing on the truck but some paper. Shoot, man, I tell you what, this business is something else. Go up here and get me something to drink. See how things are. Okay, TikTok, I'm gonna get on out of here and get something done.